Hey, welcome to this Nuxt 3 Tailwind tutorial. This is like number 7. This is number 7. So we are building this Nuxt 3 Tailwind app, and Tailwind is the CSS, like it says here. So we're going based off of this index.html, having trouble grabbing images from, I think it's Unsplash. I don't know why, but we have some images here. See, we're having trouble grabbing them from the server, but that's okay because we are going to bring them to our local. So, and if you don't know, right, you can get a free Nuxt 3 Tailwind starter kit, absolutely free. It comes with pages, layout, use hit composable, so you can have good search engine optimization. Comes with a custom plugin too. The plugin just tells you what the date is, but it will help you. It will show you how to write plugins. Also comes with some TypeScript and some components as well with pages. See that? So you can get this done. And I've been also working on. Let me see this. So I have been working on authentication, which is something that we don't really have very much in Nuxt 3 right now because it's so new. But if you take a look at that, see, sort of got something working there, and maybe I'll help you guys out with authentication. But it's not done yet. I'm still having a few problems with it. So let's continue with our tutorial. I had to make some notes for myself because sometimes I forget. So we're going to create image components for the 1/3 card images. Let's do that. So we go to the 1/3 card images, components, and we're saying we're going to make a component of this because I think 1/3 and did it have card? No. 2/3? Wait, yeah, H full. No, they're not the same. Are they the same? No. H64 full rounded. All right, so let's just take a look at our app here. And so we have 3. These are 1/3 images. So we can just have the same component here. And I remember, I wish I could just repeat these, but the CSS was giving us problems. All right, so let's do that then. Just gonna create a 1/3 image. That's what I'm gonna call this. Just a 1/3 image. Wait a minute. Is that the image? Or is this the image? No, this is the author image. I thought we created something like that for the author. Author content, author image. W10, H10. That's width 8, H8, so it's not the same thing. I think this is what I was talking about when I was saying create for 1/3 card. It says 1 minute read. Let's look at that. 1 minute read. Oh, so it's this. You know what? No, forget it. I don't think we're going to make a component for this. I just don't think it's that worth it. Besides, what really is the difference, right? Between, I guess this is a little bit smaller, but these are all the same. So you know what? We'll make a component for each of these because they're being used all over the place and they're the same. Okay, we're gonna call this small author image. Small author image. Small image author. Author small image. I don't know. We have author image. I'm gonna just call this author image small. Like that. And we're gonna create component author image small. Template. And that's it. Now this image, it needs to have props, right? Just TypeScript setup. If you want to use TypeScript, you can. And all we'll just do here is just say define props. And we're just going to say the source, I think. Yeah, I think source is good, and it's just a string. And this source is going to come right here. There. I think that should work actually. Actually, I don't have any spaces. I don't know if that will change anything. All right, so we have this. Sometimes if you just search for this, right, you find it all over the place. If you search for that particular, those CSS classes, it'll tell you where they are. See that? It's in lead card content, 2/3 card content. This is pretty much the same. And if you want to be more careful, just search for the whole string. But I think it's gonna be the same actually. See that? So this component can replace all these here. So this is going to be author image small. Before I do that, I want to go find it. So HTTP okay, so it's Pravatar. I think it's just Pravatar. I guess it's just placeholders. People. All right, so let's do that then. That's 300. Let me see 300. Well, we don't know what that is, but at least I don't know what it is. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to say author image small wherever I have that. So it's going to be that, but it will be completely empty. So we're just going to say source. And actually, I'm going to copy what we had in there. HTTP. What was it again? I forget. I'm just gonna copy this just so you know, like this is a tutorial to help you learn Nuxt, and we don't need to really. I think you get the gist, right? I think you get the gist. So where is that? Oh, it's 1/3 card. So the source is gonna be right there. Now you can change this to whatever you want. So I'm just gonna copy that, and wherever we have this, I'm gonna just do that. I think it looks neater too, don't you think? So this should work there. And it's going to be like the same person all the time because we're using the same component. See that? Same person all the time. Now, what is the problem here? I don't know why I'm having so many. I don't know why we cannot grab content here. Wait, what's going on here? What I'm going to do, I'm going to just save this image. I'm gonna just save it anywhere. I just put it in downloads. Actually no. Let me see. Keep on having trouble with this, so we should just get these images locally. So I'm just gonna get this little girl, and I'm gonna download it to. What we're gonna do is you go to wherever you have your code, and it's in Ghostwind. Create a public folder like that, and then you're just gonna call these. What should I call them? what do you call that? Like a portrait maybe? Oh, no, just call it that. Avatar little girl. And I'm gonna get this gentleman here. Save image as avatar gentleman. So this public folder, wait, that's the wrong place. Well, it's the same public folder here as you see. You see this public. See, these is where we placed those images. So now let's take a look at this, right? So if I have this, say in two-thirds card, I say I'm gonna put this here, author small, but I'm gonna say just go and get me, and since it's from the public folder, just go and get me avatar gentleman. Actually, no, let's say avatar little girl, because I think we had that. Avatar little girl. .jpg. So let's see what that does. Two-thirds card. We're grabbing stuff locally now, so we shouldn't have any problem. See that? That's a wait, is that the two-thirds card? No, this is the two-thirds card. Why are we having so many problems today? I think it's supposed to be here because this is the two-thirds card, isn't it? Let me see. Snowy trees. Two-thirds. Yep, this is the card. So that should be popping up here. Why am I having problems? That avatar should be here. Unsplash. We're having problems with Unsplash. Author image small should pick this up here. Let me see if I change it back to what it was. Will it work? Let's see what the problem is. Inspect. Okay, so there's a problem right there. So we made a mistake in our where we wrote the source here. There's a mistake. So I'm gonna, ooh, not that. I'm gonna have the little girl still there, but we're gonna go and fix this. You see that? That's a mistake. I thought I was doing something wrong there. Let's save that. So this is in the author image. Got too many things going on now. Author image small. So this here, this is a mistake. What we need to do, right, is we need to tell Nuxt that this is actually a view thing, that this is a property like that, right? And we can remove that and just have it like this. This should now work. See that? Boom, there's a little girl. Got it done. Now we shouldn't have any problems. Excellent. So the lesson here is that whatever you put in public folder, you can just go and grab it from wherever, you know, from wherever. So our two-thirds card here, you can just grab it. It's in the public folder. So we're gonna add into our half card wherever we have author image. Let's look for it now. Author image small. Lead card. So here we're gonna grab the gentleman, avatar think that's how I wrote it, right? Avatar gentleman .jpg. And then already did that. No, we didn't. I'm gonna put the little girl here again. Avatar little girl JPEG. And then 2/3. Okay, we have the little girl there. We have little girl there. We have the gentleman there. Okay, so I guess the little girl has more posts than the gentleman. That's fine. So there she is. And where is the gentleman? Did I make me? There's a gentleman. And it should be the little girl should show up somewhere else. I don't see her. Do not see her. Should she be here maybe? Yep, there she is. Actually, now because it's the same component, right? Yeah, it's the same component. And so this is it's the same image. Okay, so we did that, and some of these are coming up well. Is the little girl there? Okay, so let me think. We know how to do this now, and we know about the public folder, so that's good. But let's go and get our own images for here, and we keep on. This is not. What is going on here? Let's look at the console. Is anything going on? No. Wait, let me see. Service unavailable. So we're trying to grab images from Unsplash, but the service is unavailable for some reason. I don't understand why, but you know, stuff breaks. So let's try and get some images here. And let me just inspect this. 800 by 600, and that's the source there. 800 by 600. But we are building Nuxt images, so let's look at the component. What component is this? Author image is small. Lead card content, lead card image. So this is the lead card image. So when we look for the lead card image, Control P, lead card image. There's the component. So we're gonna change this. We're gonna go grab a picture, put it in our public folder, and just call it directly. 800 by 600. I really hope that I can find one that's just already like 800 by 600. So Unsplash and Splash. I'm seriously gonna pick anything, but maybe a person. People. Boy, she looks sad. Can I orientation? Can I get any? Can I sort by like 800 by 600? Guess we can grab these people. They look happy. These guys look happy too. Maybe these, right? No, I guess it doesn't matter. What about him? He looks happy. You know what? We'll grab him. I hope he's 800 by 600. It might be, but shouldn't really matter, right? Boy, is he love views. 35 million. Wow. Okay. 640 by 426. Medium. That's kind of big, but it's okay. We'll get this one. And you know, if you have, if you click edit and you try to edit with, you know how fast you can do this? Sometimes I just use this and I don't even use, that's good enough. I think 850, yeah, that's good enough. I'll just save it. You don't have to do this though. It's just, I want to make the image smaller. So you use paint. And I'm going to change this to something easier. I'll just say, Okay, that's a picture. I'll just say pick young man, maybe, since we have the gentleman. Don't want to confuse them. So I'm gonna cut that from my downloads folder and go back to your app and put it in the public folder. So app is in Ghostwind public folder where those other images are, and then paste. So it's pick youngman.jpg, and then you go to VS Code lead card image. So this is just pick youngman.jpg, or whatever picture you picked. You don't need to pick that one, you know. I don't even know if you'll be able to find it. Just pick anything. So when we go to our app, what does it look? Oh, look at that. It's so fast. I really like how Nuxt just gets things done. It's beautiful, right? Like even before you blink, it's already there. So, right, I think it's a nice picture and it looks pretty good. And now we're going to create a picture, a component for this. So let's look at what is this component. You click here, you click there. That's not lead card image. I don't know why that doesn't work that well. 1/3 card, half card, but author image small. Okay, so we didn't create a component for this image. Well, let's go and do that. So we know it's in the 1/3 card. So we go to 1/3 card. It's right there. And this is the component here. Right, so I think I'm just gonna call it 1/3 image. And it's also 800 by 600. I'm gonna cut that there. 1/3 image. This video is starting to get really long, huh? Let me see. 22 minutes. Whoa. 1/3 image. And then I'm gonna create a component. Just go 1/3 image dot view. There it is. Template. Paste that image. The source, right? So we're gonna write script setup. You can use TypeScript if you want. Define props, and we're just gonna call it source. Now you could call it like source like that, but because it's an image like that, because it's an image and we use images a lot in HTML, I think it's just better to call it source like that. So add that, and then you're just gonna say source. That's 1/3 image. I'm gonna go look for it. So I got too many things open. One-third image. Well, actually, 1/3 image will only go into a 1/3 card. But let me see. It should only go into a 1/3 card, right? There. Wait a minute. I removed it. Okay, never mind. It should only go into a 1/3 card. So 1/3 card. And you see how when you name things correctly, they are easier to remember. A 1/3 image goes into a 1/3 card. Lead image goes into the lead image card, or lead card. Let's go and get an image for the 1/3 image. It's also 800 by 600. So we are going to go to, let's see what we get here. What about this lady? All right, oh, let me see what we get. What about this lady? We can get this lady. I'm just gonna save this as it is. I'm not gonna download it from there. I hope AVIF does work. And okay, so it's already in Ghostwind Publics. I'll just call her, I don't know, lady or something. Lady. I'm not being creative today. Okay, lady. Go back here and lady. .avif. Actually, that's wrong. That's should be like that. Lady.avif. Let's see if that's gonna work. That did not work, did it? No, it didn't. Oh, there she is. There's our lady. So now we're putting this directly into the you know what? We're putting this directly into the component though. But this should really be, let me see, it should be in the card. But I think this starting to look quite nice now. I think it was better than it looked. I'm just saying. I'm putting this into this component, and where we have the 1/3 card is in the index file. Pages index. Right? Oh no, yeah, we componentized this. So I know we're calling 1/3 card multiple times, aren't we? Somewhere. It's something that I really didn't like us doing. 1/3 card. General cards right here. Okay. So we are, wait a minute. So this is 1/3 card. Look at 1/3 card again. So we have 1/3 image, and this image can have a source, but I think we should be adding it. This should be here. That image, this should really be here, because that way we keep on creating the same image. But if we differentiated those images, then this would be here, actually. So that's what I'm going to do. Sorry about that, but I want to do that here. So we can yeah, so but if let me see, if I did that, I'm gonna try something I've never done before. Maybe I've done it before. I'm gonna create an image prop here, and this should be the source. And what I'm gonna do, I'm actually gonna take what's here, this string, and I'm gonna place it here. Image. Okay, so what that means is that we're gonna pass in here, and it should show up only in the first one. This is really the better way. Now we still allow for this 1/3 image to have yeah, I think this will work. So we're gonna go to general cards and pass in this image here, which will be passed to this component, which should render it. So I believe we just called her lady, right? So we're gonna say image, and it's just gonna say, we're gonna grab it into we're gonna grab it from the public folder. You don't need to write anything in public folder, just call it directly. See that? There, that's better, because now we can determine what is in each component. That's much better than the way we were doing it before. So we would do the same thing for this avatar. You know, instead of you see how we have it here in the 1/3 card here, you can actually pass a prop, have a prop here for the 1/3 card, and pass that to this component. I won't do that, but I'm just showing you how we can do that. So let's add just 3 more different images. We have so many here, but I think I'll just do 3 more, and then we'll be done. So let's go to Unsplash and get some more people. So we had that lady. What's next? That guy and somebody who's looking at us. We'll take that guy. I'm gonna take this guy. Just gonna save images. I'm gonna be. I'll just say guy. That's so bad. Oh man. Okay. The beauty about components is that once you build it, look at how fast we can do this now, right? I'll just say copy that there, put that there, change that to guy, save. You go back to your app, and what do you have? Not that one. See that? That's the beauty of components and the beauty of Nuxt. Nuxt 3, things are so fast. Look at this. Look at how fast Vit does this. 61.1 milliseconds. It's like it's faster than a blink. It's beautiful. This HMR means hot module reload. So when you change something, check this out, right? We're gonna add the lady and just look down here, right? And I'm gonna save that. Save. Nothing happened. Did it like blink before I? Wow, it is so fast. I didn't even blink. Like, it's already there. That's amazing, huh? Look at that. I guess it's already there. It's so like insanely fast. Okay, let's finish this part. We don't want these avatars. We want these images, any other people, and we want landscape actually. The dog. Maybe we'll put a dog in, huh? What do you guys think? Maybe not. Oh, what happened to the good images? What about him? We'll put him. I guess it doesn't matter. What about him? Yeah, we'll put him in with the camera. Save image. Now just a guy with camera. Go camera guy. Save that. What am I doing? Copy that, paste it there, and just say camera guy. And when you look at your app, not that one, not that one, this one. There. All right, I think our app is looking quite good here. We still got some pages to make. We have 2, well, maybe 3 more pictures to do. So I hope you're really learning that. This video is starting to get really long. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just cut this video and then we'll continue with adding images here. I hope you're learning quite a bit here. Alrighty, stick around. I'll see you soon. Oh yeah, don't forget you have a free Nuxt 3 Tailwind starter kit right here. It's absolutely yours. It comes with pages, layouts, a plugin, components. It's a starter kit to help you learn how to build your Nuxt app fast. All right, stick around. I'll see you soon. It doesn't come with authentication yet because I'm still working on that, but it comes with the rest of this. All right, I'll see you soon.